Hey everyone, if you're a small business owner looking to crush it in 2024 with digital marketing, but your budget is tighter than a new pair of sneakers, don't sweat it. I'm here to share some killer strategies to boost your online presence without spending a single dime. That's right, you heard me. Let's dive into the world of free online marketing systems that will revolutionize your business. First up, social media. It's your goldmine. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are not just for scrolling through during your coffee break. They are powerful tools to connect with your audience, share engaging content, interact with your followers, and watch your brand grow. Remember, consistency is key. Next, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. Start by optimizing your website content with relevant keywords that describe your business. This is crucial for improving your visibility on search engines like Google. And the best part, it doesn't cost a penny. Just a bit of your time and creative energy. Now, on to email marketing. It's like the old school pen pal system, but way more profitable. Build an email list by offering something valuable in exchange for email addresses. Think along the lines of a free ebook, a discount code, or exclusive access to your content. Once you have a list, start sending out regular, valuable emails that your subscribers want to open. Collaboration is another powerful, cost-effective strategy. Partner up with other businesses or influencers who align with your brand. This can help you reach a wider audience, gain credibility, and drive engagement, all without breaking the bank. Lastly, let's not forget about content marketing. Create valuable content that solves problems or answers questions for your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, quality content can attract more visitors to your site and establish your authority in your niche. There you have it. Free strategies that can massively boost your digital marketing game in 2024. Start implementing these today and watch your business thrive. Till next time, keep hustling and stay dedicated. You've got this.